Good morning, everybody. This is that Volkswagen guy here today, and today I am going to show you the best wheel cleaner of all time. So, as you can see, the rim is still fairly dirty. If you remember this rim, this is the one I did the Armor All wheel cleaner on. But that's not what I'm here to show you today. Today I'm going to show you the best wheel cleaner of all time, Autoglym Magma. So, let's just get right down into it. Alright, so once we spray it, we let it sit for a few minutes. And we are going to watch the magic that happens. As you can see, it's starting to turn purple. I'm so confident in this stuff, I don't even have my wheel brush with me today. Alright, so if you're wondering why is it turning purple, it's because this is actually an iron decon spray. And as you know, majority of brakes have iron in them. And that's what's getting eaten off right now. So I'm just going to let this sit for at least a minute or two while continuously spraying it to make sure we get the full effect here. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. But yeah, once again, Autoglym Magma. I will leave a link down below in the description for Amazon or Canadian Tire if you're in Canada. And I apologize about the wind noise. But yeah, look at that. That just goes to show you how dirty this rim is, even though I cleaned this one personally. Alright, so after that, let's just get spraying. But yeah, look how much cleaner the rim is already. I didn't barely do anything to it. All I did was just spray. But the rim is not exactly completely clean either, because if I spray it on some more, it's still going to turn purple. See, it's still turning purple. Now at this point, if you want to use a wheel brush, you can go right ahead, making sure it's nice and perfectly clean. But for me, this is perfect. Like, it's still turning purple, but it's still pretty good. But yeah, this is hands down my favorite wheel cleaner to use of all time. It's fairly expensive stuff, but it works the best. Anyways guys, hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.